In today's video, we're going to show you how to install an agitator in your washer. So to install our straight vane agitator, we just lower it into place over the transmission splines, slide it down onto the shaft. If you're getting a fair bit of resistance in doing that, you're just going to want to check that agitator spline to make sure it's not rusted, corroded, or there's a bunch of gunk or old soap or something in it. And once you have your agitator in place, you can put your agitator bolt back in, set it into place and thread it in. And take your ratchet wrench and secure it tightly. With the bolt secured, you're just going to take your fabric softener dispenser, set it back into place, and you're all done.